Welcome back to RevCheck. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting, luxurious, and groundbreaking creations in the world of automotive design, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. Range Rover has always been a brand that symbolizes elegance, performance, and premium craftsmanship, but with this latest innovation, they are taking their reputation to an entirely new level. Imagine the timeless luxury of a Range Rover merged with the freedom of a motorhome, giving you a rolling mansion that redefines road travel and lifestyle. This is not just an SUV, not just a camper, but a complete luxury residence on wheels. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is engineered for those who demand comfort, power, and versatility all packed into one dynamic machine, and in today's review, we are going to explore every detail that makes this motorhome one of the most desirable luxury vehicles coming to the market. From the outside, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome retains the signature design cues we know and love from the brand. It has the imposing stance of a Range Rover SUV, stretched and elevated into a motorhome form that blends sophistication with functionality. The bold front fascia features the iconic grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and sleek aerodynamic lines that flow gracefully along the extended body. Unlike typical boxy motorhomes, this design has been carefully sculpted to maintain the elegant identity of Range Rover while still offering the space required for long-term travel. Large panoramic windows line the sides, providing natural light and breathtaking views from within, while the flush-fitting panels and minimalistic edges give the motorhome a futuristic appeal. At the rear, you'll notice a beautifully integrated tailgate with LED light signatures and subtle chrome details that remind you that luxury is always at the forefront. The exterior isn't just for looks, it's also equipped with high-tech features such as self-leveling hydraulic suspension for camping on uneven terrain, retractable side awnings, and an advanced solar energy panel system mounted on the roof for off-grid adventures. Step inside, and the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome welcomes you with an interior that feels less like a vehicle and more like a five-star hotel suite. Range Rover's dedication to premium materials is on full display here, with handcrafted leather seating, natural wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The layout is designed to maximize space and comfort, offering a lounge area, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom all seamlessly integrated with the same attention to detail as any high-end residence. The lounge greets you first with plush captain's chairs that swivel to face a built-in sofa, creating a comfortable space for relaxation or conversation. A retractable 65-inch OLED screen drops down from the ceiling for entertainment, paired with a surround sound system developed by Meridian Audio for an immersive cinematic experience. Large panoramic skylights above the lounge give you natural daylight or starlit views at night, reinforcing the sense that this is not just travel, but an experience. The kitchen area is sleek and functional, fitted with state-of-the-art appliances such as an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. Cabinets open with a soft touch, and the storage is cleverly hidden within the design, maintaining that seamless luxury aesthetic. The countertops are made from polished stone, while the lighting automatically adjusts depending on time of day and activity, ensuring the perfect ambience whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or hosting guests. The bathroom is equally stunning, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, smart mirrors with built-in touch controls, and elegant ceramic finishes that rival luxury spas. Range Rover has ensured that every inch of this motorhome's interior feels premium, proving that road travel no longer has to compromise on comfort. Moving further back, the bedroom is a sanctuary designed to make every night feel like a stay in a luxury resort. A king-sized bed with memory foam and adjustable positions dominates the space, while hidden storage compartments keep your essentials neatly tucked away. The walls feature acoustic dampening to keep the bedroom quiet even when the motorhome is parked near busy roads. You also get integrated climate control for personalized comfort, blackout shades for privacy, and a small workstation area that allows you to stay productive on the go. Every detail, from the stitching on the bed's headboard to the touch-sensitive reading lamps, speaks of the meticulous design philosophy Range Rover has always been known for. But what makes the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome truly special is the technology that powers it. Built on a reinforced Range Rover platform, this motorhome comes with an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbo V8 with electric motors to deliver both performance and efficiency. You get over 700 horsepower on tap, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes ever created. Yet thanks to its hybrid system and solar-assisted energy storage, it offers excellent fuel economy for its size. The motorhome has an electric-only driving mode for quiet, emission-free travel in cities or campsites, while the all-wheel drive system and terrain response technology ensure it can handle off-road environments just as confidently as highways. Whether you're cruising across deserts, climbing mountain passes, or gliding down motorways, this vehicle provides an effortless, commanding drive. Safety and driver assistance systems are also top of the line. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is equipped with Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, meaning it can handle long stretches of highway or urban traffic with minimal driver input. Advanced radar, LiDAR, and camera systems keep the motorhome aware of its surroundings, while adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance systems ensure maximum safety. A 360-degree camera system provides an overhead view to make parking and maneuvering this large vehicle far easier than you might expect. Additionally, the smart infotainment system connects seamlessly with your devices, offering AI-driven travel suggestions, navigation that highlights scenic routes, and real-time updates on camping sites or charging locations. What sets this motorhome apart from others is the balance between luxury and adventure. It's not just a mobile home, it's a lifestyle statement. For the modern explorer who values both refinement and freedom, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is a dream come true. It gives you the chance to experience the world without giving up the comforts of home, to camp under the stars while still enjoying spa-like amenities, and to drive with the confidence of having Range Rover engineering beneath your feet. This vehicle is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming the journey itself into an unforgettable experience. As we wrap up today's review, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome leaves a lasting impression as one of the boldest and most innovative projects Range Rover has ever undertaken. It takes the brand's DNA of luxury, capability, and design, and expands it into a new frontier of motorhomes that will inspire other automakers to rethink what travel can be. With its stunning interior, futuristic technology, eco-friendly powertrain, and uncompromising performance, this motorhome sets a new gold standard for the industry. It's not just a vehicle, it's an invitation to live differently, to explore more, and to do it all without sacrificing comfort or style. If you've ever dreamed of blending first-class luxury with the freedom of the open road, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome may very well be the ultimate answer.